Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn stack pointer in 8051. 8051 has a 8-bit stack pointer SP. The stack is a section of RAM. So if there is a section of RAM which is known as stack, there must be a register inside CPU to point to it. And that's why stack pointer is used. So this register is a 8-bit register. This register is used to access the stack. The stack pointer in 8051 can store the value in the range of 00 to FFH. So it can point in any address in this range. So when 8051 is powered up, the SP stack pointer register contains the value 07H. It means that RAM location 08 is the first location used by the stack. The storing of CPU register in the stack is called the push, and pulling the content of stack back into CPU register is called pop. So push and pop operations are performed on the stack. So stack pointer is also a SFR register having address 81H. So any data is pushed onto stack to save it temporarily and popped out of the stack to retrieve it. So the job of the stack pointer is very critical when push and pop actions are performed. So those two actions must be performed in pair. So to insert data into stack, push instruction is used. So it is having nature of a FILO, first in last out. So now suppose if your SP is pointing at 00, and suppose if you want to push any data onto stack, SP is incremented by 1 and then data is stored. So now the location which is pointed by the stack pointer is known as the top of the stack. So now top of the stack is 01. Suppose again if I want to push any data onto stack, that SP, the top of stack, would be incremented and then next data would be stored. To retrieve the data from the stack, we use a pop instruction. It is used with LFO, last in first out. So stack pointers access data pointed by SP. At the end, it is decremented by 1. So suppose stack pointer is pointing to the top of stack. Suppose if you want to retrieve data from the stack, pop instruction is used, and the data from the location which is pointed by the SP is fetched and then SP is decremented. So now the SP is pointing to 02 location, which is the top of stack, and at this location 05 is stored. Suppose when you execute pop instruction, data is read, data is retrieved, and then SP is decremented by 1, pointing to next lower address, which is 01. So now top of stack is 01 and at this location 02 is stored. So again when you execute pop instruction, data is retrieved and it is pointing to 00 after decrementing top of stack by 1. So this is all about stack pointer. If you really like the video, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button.